everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a clear peppermint lip gloss. I made a video like this before, but my explaining was not good whatsoever. So here's a new updated video. I'm using the same ingredients, but it's not going to be as messy as before. So here are the tubes that I'll be using. They're pastel pink. They are so cute, but they don't hold a lot. They only hold like 2.3 ml. So I'll only be charging about, I'm still deciding, either $3 to $4 on my site, but they're very cute. So first I'm gonna take these off because I put them back after I cleaned them. I don't know, I do things a certain way. And then I have my white squeeze tubes, and you'll see the ending once I get them all together. My Versagel from TKB Trading. Ooh. Alright, so that will be good. I don't want to make too much, but at the same time I do, because I have a vendor event coming up. So here's the Versagel. Ooh. And then now I will be adding my grapeseed oil. You already know how I am. Grapeseed oil, you can get this oil from Amazon. All right, let's put some in. And then I'm gonna add my peppermint oil. I'm gonna add about like 5 drops, 4 or 5. All right. There you go. I hate this spoon so much. It's like all bendy. I really don't like that. So I'm mixing. Keep on mixing until it's not clumpy anymore. Because you see it's clumpy. That's not cute. We don't like that, okay? So you want to keep on mixing well. The more you mix, the more it will help with preventing air bubbles. And also you can see your consistency and you can decide whether you like it or not. But yeah. This smells so good. Oh my gosh. Let me try to put this up. Maybe that will help. All right. You want to skip it in. Sorry if y'all can't see clearly, or see if it's not in view, you know. But yeah. And so this lip gloss is named Peppermint Bliss, and it will be available in wand and squeeze tubes. The squeeze tubes hold a lot more lip gloss now. It holds 10 ml instead of 8 ml. So, you know, we love that. And this is really great for like chapped lips. And honestly, it's just an amazing gloss. Everyone loves clear lip gloss. So this is like my go-to lip gloss. I love it. There you go. It's filled up. And now let's fill up the wand tubes first. Yes, queen, look at that. And this is gonna get even more clear once I add the stopper and put the wand in. This looks amazing. This is gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh. All right. 2 cute. Add some in my squeeze tube. Yes, so pretty. Yes, I'm so excited for my vendor event. I'm finna pop off. go.
No, I missed it. Oh my god, that was slushy.
Look at the consistency though. This is amazing. You would never go wrong with Stay Glowing Cosmetics. Over with. Just so like it's easier and quicker. I feel like with the wand tubes, you just want to be even more careful with how you fill it up, because if you fill it up too much, then the stopper will come off, and we don't like that because that's annoying. And same with the squeeze tubes, but the squeeze tubes are easier to be careful with. But yeah. Right. Let's do the squeeze tubes. Grab the stopper from over here. Pick it up. Put it in. Sometimes with these, it's kind of hard. Got the stopper in. There you go. Grab the top. Screw it on. Yay! Got that one done. And then you just do that all over again. Anyways, I'm gonna take the camera off so I can concentrate more because I'm not concentrating. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And check out my website in the description box to purchase. And yeah, I appreciate all the support, and stay glowing.